आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 7th September 2020. Now today's headlines are Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Ram Nath Singh Kovind addressed the governors the conference on the national education policy through the video conferencing today. Metro services resume across the country after the gap of over the 5 months. Airlines to the fully refund air ticket booked during the lockdown centered as the Supreme Court. G20 countries reaffirmed the committee to ensure the education continuity and the safety of all. In the US Open tennis, Canadians due to the Rohan Bopna and the Danish Superova to play the men's double the quarterfinal today. BCCI announced the schedule for the IPL 2020 to be held in the UAE in the opening match and defecting the champion Mumbai Indians to the clash with the Chennai Supreme Kings on the 19th September. President Ram Nath Kovind and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressed the inaugurate the session of the Governors Conference on the National Education Policy through the video conferencing today, and conferencing titled The Role of the NEP 2020 in the Transforming the Higher Education is being organized by the Ministry of the Education. NEP 2020 is the first education policy of the 21st century which was announced after the 34 years of the previous national policy on the education in 1986. NEP 2020 is directed toward the major reform in the both school and higher education level. The governors conference is also attained the education minister of all the state and the vice chancellor of the state universities and other senior officials. G20 countries have reformed their committee to ensure the education continuity and safety for all. A virtual meeting in G20 Education Ministry was held to discuss and share the experience of the member country in the three identified areas. These are the education continuity in the times and the crisis, early the childhood education and internationalized in education. The education minister adopted a communique at the end at the meeting regarding the ensuring the education continuity and the times the crisis. The communique recognize and the value of the learning and undercourse of important enhanced access to the high quality education. Central has informed the Supreme Court the airline will be fully refund the ticket booked for the travel during the lockdown, and this they appeal the domestic and international ticket book between the March 25th and the May 3rd. This year will be the refund immediately. The move of the come after the Supreme Court asked the center to explain its position on the appeal seeking full the refund of the book air ticket during the lockdown. The government also said that if the airlines are unable to make the full refund, this is the players will be get the credit shall be up to the March 31st next year. Center has also said that the passenger can be used the credit to any route of the choice and should be also able to transfer it anyone. And the airline will be also devised to the mechanism the facilitates such transfer. India achieved the record of the conducting over the 10 lakhs COVID testing of the 4 days in a row and the surpasses the initial target for the conducting over the 10 lakh tests nearly for the 1,652 labs in the country conducted closely the 11 lakh tested in the last 24 hours. The country has witnessed the significant stepping up its COVID-19 testing capacity in the last 5 months from the 160 labs testing COVID samples to the 23 of the March and this year. The country yesterday has the 1,027 government labs and the 625 private labs so far, with and the overall testing figure for the 4,88,31,145. The national has been also able to maintain the remarkable low positive rate and below the 8.5%. The country registered the maximum number for the recovery of the nearly the 73,640 COVID patient in the last 24 hours. So far, the around 32 lakhs people in the country has recovered from the viral pandemic. The overall the recovery rate and also maintained the upward trend and now reaches for the 77.32%. The Health Ministry has also said the constant increase in the recovery has ensured that the actual case load of the country has reduced and it's currently comprised for 20.96% of the total positive cases. The number of the recovery patient of the overtaken the active cases by the nearly the 3.7 times. A total of the 3,256 new confirmed cases of coronavirus have been reported in Delhi during the past 24 hours. In Bihar, COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 88.24%, which has the highest in the country. Health Minister Mangal Pandey said that the rate is also lowest 0.5% and 1,924 patients recovered in the last 24 hours. In Madhya Pradesh, the number of the COVID cases in the state climbed up to around 73,574 after 1,694 new cases were reported in past 24 hours, with the 29 patients succumbing to the infection and death to the rose to 1,572 deals over correspondence. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 7 September 2020. We will take a same bulletin on the 8 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, ये हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे ये सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए। लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं